Salsa and Mambo are very alike, with the same footwork, though different timing. Mambo is when the first step forward for the lead is on 2, or the second beat of music, also called Latin timing. Salsa is when the first step is anything other than 2, though it is normally danced on 1. The first beat of the music bar. Salsa basic is fundamentally 2 rock steps. The first rock step is forward, starting on the left for the lead. After the first rock step, the lead then closes his feet and changes his weight, from the right foot to the left. This change of weight allows the lead to step back, for the second rock step on his right. First step. From a standing position, with the lead's body weight on right leg and foot, the lead steps forward on his left, and the lady back on her right. Second step. The lead rocks back to transfer his weight onto his right side, and the lady to her left side. Third step. The lead withdraws his left foot, closing both feet together. The lady brings her right foot forward to close with the left. Fourth step. This is a pause, but usually used to execute a figure 8 hip roll, while transferring weight. Fifth step. The lead steps back on his right, the lady forward on her left. Sixth step. The lead rocks forward transferring his weight to his left foot. The lady rocks back transferring her weight to her right foot. Seventh step. The lead brings his right foot forward closing his right foot to his left. The lady brings her left foot back to close with her right. Eighth step. This is also a pause, but usually used to execute a figure 8 hip roll, while transferring weight before restarting the basic.